Aloha, it's me, Dashama, and I'm really excited to be sharing with you the morning ritual that I learned at One World Ayurveda. And this is an Ayurvedic morning routine. You can do it at home, and it's super simple, but it's an amazing way to start your morning and to start your day out in a beautiful energy. So the first thing you do right when you get up is you're going to say a prayer. So you're saying, thank you, God, for this beautiful day and for my life and for the opportunity to shine my light out into the world. And just visualize yourself having an amazing, beautiful, blessed day in all the ways that you'll interact with the world. And then sitting up, rub your hands together. This creates heat. And rub them together really good to create a lot of energy. And then from here, you want to bring your hands like this, right in front of your heart, just close enough but not touching, almost like you have an invisible rubber band in between your hands. You're stretching it out and then bringing it together, or like a ball, or you're kneading some dough. But you should feel the energy between your hands as you create prana in front of your heart. And then from here, inhaling, raise it up, so bringing the energy up, and then just washing your energy field with the radiance of the light. So it's like taking a pranic bath. Inhaling and exhaling. And you can do this a couple of times. So rub your hands together. And this is a great way to start out the morning, because you're really, whatever dreams you had or whatever happened yesterday, this is a way to completely start brand new, washing your energy field and creating a beautiful energy for the day. So you just cultivate the energy between your hands, inhaling, raise it up, deep breath, and exhaling, like washing your energy field with the light and the love all over your body. We'll do one more time, and this time, the last one, you'll cover your eyes and cover your heart. So rub them together really strong so you feel the heat building up, and then palms together like this, creating more energy between your hands. You should feel that, you feel the heat. And then you can put it on your heart and just feel the love and the light coming into your heart. And you can put it on your eyes and feel a rejuvenation and a nice healing energy on your face and your mind. And then inhaling and wash your energy field completely. The next part of the morning routine, we're going to go in the bathroom and do some tongue scraping and oil swishing. And I'll explain the benefits of that as we go into the bathroom. So come with me. All right, now here we're going to start the tongue scraping. You may have seen this in the grocery store or somewhere, that these tongue scrapers. Here in Bali, they actually use a piece of bamboo, but you can use the ones that you buy in the store. All you have to do is you can take a piece of wood, like bamboo like this, and you bend it. So you're going to create a loop, so you're going to scrape the tongue. And this is how it goes. You just stick it in your tongue. A tongue comes out. You want to go all the way to the back of your throat and scrape it. So I like to do it like with two hands like this. That way you can really get it all the way to the back. And you're going to get a lot of stuff coming out, so you want to do it over the sink. What you should do is 7 to 14 scrapes to get it all off. What you're actually getting off is like any bacteria or anything, especially that comes into your mouth and starts to form overnight. So this is really powerful and helpful to keep your hygienic, mouth is the root of a lot of sickness and disease. So you want to keep it super clean in there. So tongue scraping every single day. Just like flossing and brushing your teeth, you need to tongue scrape. Then after you did it, 7 to 14 times, the next part of the system morning routine from Ayurveda is to do oil swishing. Now this is a really powerful morning routine. My gum was bleeding one time, and I did oil swishing with coconut oil, and it totally healed my gum in one time. So I highly recommend that you do this, and if you do it every morning, it's really great because actually coconut oil is antimicrobial and antibacterial, and it can really just purify your whole mouth. But in Ayurveda, some people are recommended to use sesame oil and some coconut oil. If you have a pitta constitution like me, then you would do coconut oil. Otherwise, you'll do sesame oil. Anyway, you take about this much, and I'm gonna put it in my mouth and swish it like that. Don't swallow and don't gargle. And you're gonna do at least minimum 3 minutes. But if you want to do it longer, you can. If you have any sores or cuts in your mouth, like that time my gum was bleeding, this was a while back, it basically around 10 to 15 minutes is when it completely healed it. But anyway, so try it 3 minutes to start. I'm going to demonstrate for you right now. I don't know if that was 3 minutes, but whenever I usually do it in the morning, I always time it. And afterwards, your mouth tastes amazing. I suggest if you're gonna brush your teeth before you do the oil swishing, because it's really nice to actually have a coconut oil flavored mouth. But if you don't like the flavor of the oil, brush your teeth after. Now the final part of the morning routine is to, use the toilet. It's all in the protocol. And I actually do a yoga practice as well called Nali Kriya, and that's the stomach pumping. But this is a really simple, powerful, and necessary morning routine. I hope you'll follow the system. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. If you have any questions, feel free to share with your friends. And know that the more little things that you do for self-care and self-love, these are all preventative, preventing diseases or sickness from entering your life, and also keeping you youthful for a long, healthy, amazing, beautiful life. So have an amazing day. Namaste.